What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can use whiteboards in Zoom meetings. Well, the process for that is pretty simple. For that, as you guys can see, I have opened up my Zoom and I will simply start a new meeting. Once I've started that, the meeting will be something like that. So I'm just going to open up my meeting because I'm already in a meeting. Now, this is how the meeting will look like. Here, in order to use the whiteboard, you just have to click on these three dots, which should be open up a menu bar. Here, just click on this whiteboard. So as you can see, the whiteboard should be here. If you cannot see it, just click on that and you'll be able to see whiteboard right here. Now, as you can see, my whiteboard is right here. If I click on that, it will want me to either create a new whiteboard or either open up an existing whiteboard. So I'm just going to open up a new whiteboard, and there you go. Whiteboard is opened up. Here I can write it. I can do whatever I want. I can do anything what I want by sharing the screen, and I'll be able to share my whiteboard with every other person. So that's pretty much it. That's how easy it is. Hope you guys find this video helpful.